Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Writing Tutorials. As always, this channel is here to help you learn how to write professional letters in a simple, clear, and easy-to-follow way. In today's video, we're going to walk through how to write an elderly companion job application letter. I'll explain what this letter is, why it's important, and then guide you through each section of the letter, step by step, so you know exactly what to write and why each part matters. Let's start with a quick definition before we go into the structure. An elderly companion job application letter is a formal letter written to apply for a job where your main responsibility is to provide companionship, emotional support, and light daily assistance to elderly individuals. This type of letter focuses less on technical skills and more on compassion, patience, trustworthiness, and communication, because employers want someone who can be a reliable and caring presence in a senior's daily life. Now let's break down the letter from top to bottom, exactly as it should appear. Check this out. Sender information. At the top of the letter, we start with the sender's information. This includes your full name, address, phone number, and email address. You don't need to explain anything here in the letter itself, but in real life, this section is very important because it tells the employer who you are and how they can contact you. Here is the sender information used in this letter. Michael Harris, 9274 Pine Hollow Road, Portland, Oregon 97225. Phone 50-355-56198. Email michael.harris@email.com. Always make sure this information is clear, professional, and easy to read. Use an email address that looks professional, not a nickname. Date. Next, we have the date. The date shows when the letter was written and helps the employer keep track of applications. In this letter, the date is April 23, 2026. Always write the full date and make sure it's accurate. Recipient information. After the date, we include the recipient's information. This shows respect and professionalism and lets the employer know the letter is specifically written for them. Here is the recipient information. Hiring manager. Golden Years Companion Care. 3400 Southwest Cedar Hills Boulevard, Beaverton, Oregon 97005. Even if you don't know the hiring manager's name, writing hiring manager is completely acceptable. Subject line. Next is the subject line. The subject tells the employer exactly what the letter is about. In this case, the subject is Subject. Application for elderly companion position. This is short, clear, and professional. Don't make the subject too long or complicated. Salutation. Now we move to the salutation, which is something you should never skip. The salutation used here is, Dear Hiring Manager. This is polite, professional, and safe when you don't know the name of the person reading your letter. First paragraph. Introduction and interest. Now, let's talk about the first main paragraph, which is the introduction. In this paragraph, you clearly state the position you are applying for and explain why you are interested in the role. This is where you show your heart and your motivation. This paragraph is important because it creates the first impression. For an elderly companion role, employers want to see genuine interest in helping seniors, not just someone looking for any job. A good tip here is to use warm and caring language. Words like companionship, emotional support, and dignity show that you understand the nature of the role. Here is the sample paragraph. I am writing to apply for the elderly companion position at Golden Years Companion Care. I am interested in this role because I enjoy providing companionship, emotional support, and daily assistance to seniors, helping them maintain comfort, dignity, and a positive quality of life. This paragraph is winning because it clearly states the job, mentions the company, and shows compassion right away. Second paragraph. Experience and responsibilities. Now we move to the second paragraph, where you talk about experience and daily responsibilities. This paragraph explains what you actually do or can do as an elderly companion. Even if your experience is informal, this is where you show that you understand the job. This paragraph is important because it reassures the employer that you can handle the daily needs of seniors and that you know how to interact with them respectfully. A helpful tip here is to mix practical tasks with soft skills. Don't just list duties, explain how you approach them. Here is the sample paragraph. I have experience supporting elderly individuals through daily activities such as conversation, light household tasks, meal preparation, and accompanying them to appointments or short outings. I understand the importance of patience, attentiveness, and clear communication when building trust and providing meaningful companionship. This works well because it shows both action and understanding. Third paragraph, personal qualities and strengths. The third paragraph focuses on personal qualities. This section is extremely important for caregiving and companion roles because employers are trusting you with real people's lives and routines. Here, you highlight traits like reliability, compassion, respect, and punctuality, and explain how they make you a good fit. A good tip is to connect your personality directly to the job, not just list adjectives. Here is the full sample paragraph. I am dependable, compassionate, and respectful of personal boundaries and routines. I take pride in being punctual, attentive, and committed to creating a safe and supportive environment for those in my care. I believe these qualities would allow me to be a positive addition to your companion care team. This paragraph is strong because it builds trust. Closing paragraph, appreciation and interview request. Now, let's move to the closing paragraph. This is where you thank the employer and politely express interest in an interview. Keep it confident but respectful. This paragraph matters because it leaves the final impression. Here is the full sample paragraph. Thank you for considering my application. I would welcome the opportunity to discuss how my skills and dedication can support your clients and organization. I am available for an interview at your convenience. Closing and signature. The letter ends with a professional closing. Sincerely, Michael Harris. This is the correct and professional way to end the letter. So, that's how you write an elderly companion job application letter, from the sender information all the way to the signature, with the right balance of professionalism and compassion. Before we finish, here are some overall tips for writing an elderly companion job application letter. Always write in a calm, caring, and respectful tone. Focus on trust, patience, and communication. Be honest, keep your paragraphs clear, and remember that employers are looking for someone who feels safe, reliable, and genuinely caring. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Writing Tutorials for more step-by-step letter writing guides. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.